Now, guys, you're made to sleep early to be big and strong. When you have a noisy chicken, please still sleep. Because sleep is helping everyone to grow and keep healthy. Now, I have a kitty and a dog. My dog is named Cookie and my kitty's name is Coco. My kitty's color it was white, gray, black, and to my dog is brown and white. They have the same call under name. Coco. Cookie when you mix Coco making nail. It's become nails in Spanish. I'm already say Spanish. Making is Spanish. Oops. Making is actually Tagalog and nails and Coco is it's actually Tagalog. Now we are starting with our dog. That's my dog. My dog looks everyone. Kitty always hiding under my bed like kind of jokes. Now I'm that's why I'm not do so many videos because we are going anywhere. But my dog is so harsh. That my dog is protecting everyone and my cat is scratching something to be. And my dad is love cats. He's well cut the cat's nails because it's too long. It scratched me. Now my scratch is disappear now. Said goodbye. And that's Bombay. That's Bombay, everyone. It's always we are always paying